Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to quickly show you how to find hidden chats on Microsoft Teams. So let's get into the video. Firstly, open up Teams and log into your account. So you can either use the browser or the application. Either way, it's the same process. So just log into your Teams account, open up your application. So once you're here, so what you're going to do, if you want to find the hidden chats, you just simply have to search on the search bar here the name of the group or the chat that you have hidden, or the name of the person that you have hidden. So for example, here mine, I've hidden this person here, Shan. So let me open up. If I click on that, search for the person and click on it, then it will pop up here showing the chat has been hidden. So and then it pops up here and it's mentioned that it's hidden. So I've already found the hidden chat. So all I have to do now is, if I want to unhide it, so just click on the three dots here, click on it, and then select the unhide option here. So now it's not hidden anymore and it's now available. So that's pretty much how you can like find your hidden chats, and then if you want to unhide it, this is how you're going to do it. So it's pretty easy and straightforward. Hope this information is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.